yazi bafethu ngiyazi abazolalela yilaba abangayenzi lento engizokhuluma ngayo. Laba abayenzayo ngeke balalele, bazonihlanje bejombe bedlule. Kulungile kodwa sidezama nje kuyozezwakala. Abanye benu bafethu benza umsebenzi omuhle osemqoka for MK ukuthi uye phambili. Lapha at a community level nenza umsebenzi omuhle osemqoka. Kodwa inkinga yenu ngifuna ukumonopolize niwenze ube ngowenu. As if uyi-leader ye-group ethize yomdanso abe yomusic. Wonke umuntu ulandela ama-steps akho. Bafowethu, ma wenza umsebenzi womkhonto, yazi ukuthi wenza umsebenzi that doesn't belong to you as an individual. Wenza umsebenzi obelonga kwe-movement. Futhi wenze ngoba unaleyo understanding. Akufana semculweni lapho khona ukuba ne-lead singer khona. Bonke abanye abantu bahlabelela ngemuva balinda wena kuqala bese behlabelela-ke nabo. Asizoba ama-stars. There's no star in the revolution. There are revolutionaries. There are no stars in the revolution. Ngisho wafethu walo muntu esho kanje akafuni futhi ukunikhinyabeza nanongiqeda amandla niqhubeke nenze umsebenzi omuhle nwenzayo. But the problem yenu, when you succeed in doing those important things, you now want to disrespect the leaders, do not work with the leaders, don't follow the instructions of the leaders, don't be guided by the leaders, don't allow the leaders to revise whatever great idea you have, to try to infuse themselves in that great idea you have. Also, make sure that other comrades participate together with other social partners as movement. You want now to dictate, it's my initiative. Bafethu, there's nothing which is going to be yours for the movement. The movement is all about collective interest, collective effort, collective direction, collective gain. Yabona waqala nje wa monopolize wathi hey, this is my. It's a problem. Uma ngabe uawa wakho usho igroup yakho ovumelana nawe ungawona uawa lowe movement as a whole. So siyacela abafuna understand ukuthi nina abafuna nenza hlobo i-talented ninalo. Sometimes i-talented ibekwa kunina kodwa i-position ibekwa kumuntu ongena talent yokulead in the community. It's a reality, iyenzeka lonto ukuthi ubukhosi kunika omunye umuntu kodwa umsebenzi wobukhosi unikezwe omunye. So it's a reality. I-talented linawe, yes, wena wazikwenza, but please still respect the king ebekiwe. Nawe ke king musu kuba king phela nawe. La kwi-revolution asinama kings. Ungabi inkosi imholi. Mawuza ukuthi khona abantu abakusi-community abanama-initiatives abawenzayo, ama-ground forces. Musa phela wena bese impose authority yakho yokuthi hey ngeke kwenzeke lutho mina ngavumeli. Uyasilimaza nawe emholi. Uyasilimaza. Abantu bazothatha ngeshoti lokuthi kuyenzeka. Uzo mhlambe kamuva ngo 2 days 3 days. Musa ke bese uthi hayi ngiyawuvala umgoqo la ngeke bebona. Cha. Still join them, still make it easy for them, still guide them to do it properly in terms of ama-guidelines awomkhonto. Still your responsibility. Kodwa athuthi sibonayo if abantu sebemesaphile la bengibakhuzayo nabo abafunde ukuhlonipha nokusebenzisa nama-structures. Mase bemesaphile bona banako ukumesepa ukuthi imali yabo, i-idea yabo bayazenzela. That's a mess ngiyakusho lokho. Kodwa noma sebemesaphile ke phela amholo nogcotshiwe. Musa ke nawo bese ukuthela upetrol emlilweni. Ayithi umholi wena, be calm, come back and guide them properly. Kahle kahle ngithini la. Ngikhuthaza abaholi ababekiwe from a ground level structure ukuthi aba-adopte lokhu esithiwa i-facilitative approach. Facilitative approach i-approach yokuthi yonke into i-simplify. Musu usenze authority yakho to block things. You rather use your capability and authority to correct things. No ayilandelanga process. Msiza landele process ngaphandle compromise i-process itself. So akayilandelanga process, yes, apply through right structures at the right time, but i-activity afuna ukuyenza isiza umkhonto. Musu uyiblocker. Siza lo oxhomondelayo ukuthi no kuhanjwa kanje bese umsiza fast into yakhe yenzeke benefit umkhonto siye phambili. Asingayisebenzisi i-authoritative approach ekuhleze inomthwalo okhumbuza abantu i-authority onayo. That's not right. Authoritative approach is blocking progress.